today's free video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the audio being exported in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free.
Okay, so I have a video clip that I want to only have the audio file format instead of the video clip file format. And this is what this looks like.
A low-level exception occurred in Adobe Scope's Transmit Create instance. Well, isn't that great, Premiere?
So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys and girls exactly how to transform this.
A low-level exception occurred in Adobe Scope's
into this.
A low-level exception occurred in Adobe Scope's.
Okay, so assuming you're using the same audio or video file that you want to use to transform into audio, create an in point and an out point. Assuming you have the video and it's under the video timeline, and then click Ctrl+M on your keyboard to prepare your video to export into audio only. Okay, now it's under the export settings right here, under format, you're going to want to click and change this. So you want to change this until it's an MP3 audio file format. Now in this case, we're going to click the drop down arrow, and whatever you have here, you want to locate where it says MP3. And under the preset, you also want to click the drop down arrow right here, and make sure it's click in the third option, which has 2.5 kbs, or the highest quality setting, which is the highest quality. And then under the output name, you can save this with whatever it is you want on your PC, desktop, or Mac, and then click save. And then you have two options right here to click Q or to export it directly, and then you want to click export. Okay, so now this is the before.
A low-level exception occurred in Adobe Scope's Transmit Create instance. Well, isn't that great, Premiere?
And this is the after.
A low-level exception occurred in Adobe Scope's Transmit Create instance. Well, isn't that great, Premiere?
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, drop a like, comment down below. I'm out. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.